Hey buddy, welcome to Visa.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to find the sign of the abscissa and ordinate of a point which is in the second quadrant. So in two-dimensional Cartesian coordinate system, we represent it in the form of two crisscross lines making an angle of 90 degree at the center, right? Now, this side when extended to infinity, that is when we extend the right side to infinity, then it tends to positive infinity. So we represent it in the form of positive x axis or x plus, and when the left hand side is extended up to infinity, then it points towards negative infinity. So we represented it in the form of x minus, right? And at the center we have origin, that is 0 comma 0. Similarly, if we extend upwards towards infinity, then it tends towards positive infinity. So we represented it by y plus, and in the opposite direction it tends towards negative infinity. So we represented it by y minus. Now this is the quadrant number 1, this is quadrant number 2, this is quadrant number 3, and finally this is quadrant number 4. Now we have been asked to find the sign of the abscissa and ordinate of a point in the second quadrant. So the x axis is referred to as abscissa and the y axis is referred to as ordinate. Now see, in the second quadrant, as we move towards the left hand side of the origin, then the x coordinate becomes negative. So the abscissa will be negative in second quadrant. But if we move, or rather we can say that as we move upwards from the origin, that is towards positive y axis, then the ordinate sign will be always positive. So above the x reference line, any point will have its ordinate value as positive, and any point which is on the left hand side of the y reference line will have its abscissa as negative. So the second quadrant is represented by the symbol minus comma plus, minus for abscissa and plus for ordinate. Therefore, upon checking the options, we see that option C will be our required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.